birthday, Palak. Hope you have an amazing day. Have a great day ahead. You are an amazing person. You're a gem of a person. And these years have been amazing. Happy birthday. Hi, Palak. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Have a great one. You will make the best of it somehow, I know. And I'm sorry I couldn't make it, but I love you so much. And yes. Happy birthday to you, Kalli. पहली बात तो शायद तो फिर आवाज भी रहेगी एंड फोटो से रहेंगे और बर्थडे वाला फोटो भी तो हमारे पास ऐसे फोटोज है नहीं हमारे पास खींचना है ये दिमाग में अपना
तो रुको जरा, सबर करो। बोला धक्का मुक्की नहीं करने का, आराम से लेने का। हाँ
Okay, so I'm gonna make you max awkward now, so be prepared for it. I don't think I've ever told this to anyone, but you were literally the first ever friend I made in Euro school. I was sitting in the bus and then you came and sat next to me. I am pretty sure कि तेरे को कुछ याद नहीं रहेगा, but you were the first friend I made. And then cut to for like 3-4 years we didn't talk to each other because we were in different classes. And then in 6th grade we had this cold vibe which was there because we had the same best friend and it was like a struggle to know कि वो किसके साथ बैठने वाली हिंदी लेक्चर में. And then in 7th grade the only thing I remember is you used to call me teachers की चलती फिरती encyclopedia. And obviously still there was this hatred which was there and we used to get irritated by each other. But bro, look at us now. We have created so many memories, from being those stupid kids who used to go to the washroom to tie each other's hair, to us now discussing about hair fall on Zoom, to all those diet plans that we made which eventually turned out to be nothing, and all those jogging plans that we made at 6 o'clock and ended up getting up at 1 o'clock. And there are so many things that I don't think anyone can get except you. And thank you for listening to all those stupid things that I say, and then genuinely giving a reply and a solution to all those, and keep on asking those random questions. And I don't think my day is complete if I don't text you and say, bro, आज के दिन में मैंने ये किया, and then you just come, see the messages, like, and leave me on scene. I think Viku wouldn't have been what it was without you, or Jaya ma'am के classes where she's literally telling us कि bro तुम दोनों एक दूसरे को influence करोगे और ज़िंदगी में कुछ कर नहीं पाओगे, to you taking all the rickshaws that I used to get for myself. And yes, you are mean, and yes, we fight a lot and irritate each other, but I guess in that only there's some kind of love, because I don't think I can irritate or fight with anyone the way I do with you. And yes bro, I will never understand how do you survive with only 3 hours of sleep. I mean, I've had so many night stays with you and you are like कि bro मैं coffee पी लूँगी, and the amount of coffee you drink, oh my god, and the time you have for like everything, like show khatam, movie khatam, ye khatam, randomly going taking a hair wash. I mean, like bro, you are a unique piece. And yes, I love you a lot and I miss you, even though we just like met 4 days ago, but I couldn't hug you properly. And I'll keep irritating you, I'll always touch you. And thank you for always saving me by doing weird actions so that I understand that I have to shut my mouth and not speak nonsense. And there have been so many people that have come and told me, bro, you guys look like sisters and whatnot. And मेरे को टाइम लिमिट बोला है, मेरा वीडियो को 6 मिनट का बन गया था तो मैं कट शॉर्ट करके आई एम सेंडिंग. बट येस, आई होप यू हैव अ ग्रेट डे. लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ लव. टूडल्स.
Hey Palak, happy birthday! Woo! 17 finally. Nice, very nice. Oh my god, I honestly never expected कि we would be friends. क्योंकि you remember 3rd grade में when you bullied me? That. And then 7th grade में भी I was friends with everyone except for you, I think. ऐसा I was on a name basis वाला friendship तेरे साथ. and still you invited me to your birthday. I was very confused with that. But still ऐसा DJ VJ क्या party वार्टी क्या मस्त. And then 9th 10th में we became good friends. But bro 10th खत्म होने के बाद, oh my god, we came to school every day. We danced with all the bidus. Then we kept going to Starbucks, and then I hung out at your place कितना ज़्यादा last year. So बेफालतू I used to come and remember when you came and we had that whole drawing session. And then we went to Belgium. Oh my god, इतना मजा आया ना. Legit ऐसा पूरा दुनिया घूम के आया अपन साथ में. I find this fact so cool, man. And then when we got back, when I enrolled into ISC, I didn't really care about it पहले. And we met हर छोटी चीज़ के लिए. We went, we saw so many movies, we went and ate churros, we tried इधर उधर का खाना. My god, I had so much fun ना. And then oh my god, the lockdown thing came on, and then अब you, me, अजिंक्य, प्रीत, हम लोग 6 घंटा we used to talk रात में. Those conversations ना, oh my god, about love marriage and arranged marriage and which one is better and which and then you remember the whole time concept वाला हमारा discussion कि about the parallel universe. And then अभी सबसे recent we watched Black Swan रात को. Scary थी but I love that movie. And then अपने full personal problems अपन discuss कर रहे हैं. And then अपना whole witch TikTok वाला thing कि we once we meet we are going to do all the witch वाला things. And then bro discussing books, discussing अपने सारे favorite characters, सब भर के audio messages. Oh my god, I had such a fun time because of you. पता है, and honestly ना, it's with a very few people जिनके साथ ऐसा I don't talk ऐसा 3-4 week, and then suddenly when we call I'm like ऐसा एकदम full chill yo bro, and you're like one of those only people. So I think you should be honored. I mean, you know, you're my good friend, you're not my acquaintance, you know what I mean. ये सब तो है. And but look, I'm really grateful कि you are one of my friends and you reach out to me बार बार कि चल बाहर चलते क्योंकि you and I, we both know I don't do that kind of stuff. अगर सामने वाला डालता है थोड़ा मेहनत तो ही आए reciprocate. Okay, हाँ, so I just wanted to say that I'm really happy that I'm friends with a person like you, Palak. And yeah, हाँ, don't worry, हम लोग बहुत मिलते रहेंगे आगे. We'll go out, we'll go to Imagica with videos, everything we'll do. Don't worry. अभी आगे life बहुत लंबी है and I plan on keeping you in my life. That's all I wanted to say. चल ठीक है then. Happy birthday 17. Woo! Okay, bye.
Hi Palak, Pahbo, L'Oreal GN. Congratulations on keeping the GN a secret till now. Reminder, I think the first memory I have, proper one, is the controversy from 4th grade, the major controversy, and you were on my side, although I don't remember much, but yes, you were on my side. So good choice, Palak, good choice. Then 7th grade में we came back in the same class, and 8th is when we officially, like dil se, full feeling se, became best friends. Since day one, since that uska day one, you understand me like no other, and our thoughts are 98% of the time the same. Like it's creepy sometimes, that's how similar they are. And that's when we call ourselves twin flame. And apparently, Palak, yes, I am your twin flame. So that's how that goes. We had a very iconic moment of our friendship in the 9th grade with Nitin sir facilitating it. Library mein we all were sitting in the PE lecture, and he asked me in front of the whole class as a point karke, Anugraha, is there any friend that you trust the most? अपने दिल पे हाथ रख के बोल. And मैंने अपने दिल पे हाथ रख के बोला कि yes, sir, I do have a friend that I trust the most. And I said Palak. And I think he made you do the same thing as well. तो हमने पूरे क्लास के सामने अपने दोस्ती और प्यार का एज़ार कर लिया था. Your realistic approach and my optimistic approach usually clash. But I think that's when we come to the best conclusions, like the best decisions. So yes, you show affection in a very different way, you know, like you're not like me ऐसे rub in the face, I love you. No, you do it ऐसे छोटे छोटे चीज़ों में वैसे छुप के देखना पड़ता है कि हाँ पलक है अच्छी हमारे तरफ. You're not always mean, you are nice sometimes, and those are the little moments that keep us going. we have made so many plans for down the line. Not even that far, like trips and all तो है ही. But उसके साथ साथ go-karting and sushi and all that are big dreams. We had our first concert together and it was front row, Dua Lipa. We were dead tired. But we came back home, we had great food, sleepover. So that was like one highlight and one memory that I don't think I can ever forget. And your Dharamshala house, everything I miss. From farmhouse cafe fries to conversations, walking building ke niche round marte and rethinking life choices, memories. And yeah, Palak, I tried to keep it as short as I could. I love you so much, so much. Don't get awkward. I wish I could hug you and make you more awkward. And yeah, mwah.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू पल्ली. पहली बात तो शायद तो अभी मेरे से आवाज़ सुनती रहेगी एंड फोटोज चलते रहेंगे. और भोटिया ने बोला फोटोज भेजो, तो हमारे पास तो अच्छे फोटोज है नहीं, हम लोग को अच्छे खींचने हैं, ये दिमाग में रखना. एंड या इट्स रियली अमेजिंग हाउ वी नोन ईच अदर फॉर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम, मे बी 5 or 6 years. एंड या I remember how we started to talk during 8th grade, and you were the fortunate one to sit beside me. Thanks to Sunita man. And your bag always coming midway and me tripping over it. And oh sorry, statureless bag. Let me repeat that one. Statureless. आधा ग्रेड 8th grade में हम लोग statureless ही बोलने में निकल गया. And yeah, उसके पहले तो we hated each other. Oops. And I realized you're a really nice person to talk to. We surprisingly relate to many things and I like that about us. And yeah, ये तो हम लोग का प्लान सेट ही है. हम लोग एक दिन तो बैठना ही है एक दूसरे के साथ. स्मॉर्नॉफ 750 तो आराम से ख़त्म करने का. तू नीट बोले तो नीट मारेंगे अपन. तो बस ये सब लॉकडाउन ख़त्म हो जाए. एंड या वी शुड हैंग आउट मोर, मेक मोर मेमोरीज विद अल्कोहल maybe. And yeah, keep laughing on my jokes. Have a blessed day today. Once again, happy birthday. Bye.
Oh, happy birthday, Bhanumati. It's been five long years we've been friends, and this whole journey has been इतना amazing कि like मैंने इतना कुछ सीखा है, like इतना we've grown together from अपना वो क्रिंजी फेस जब भी अपने को लगता था अपन कूल है टू अभी तक. एंड द होल जर्नी हैज़ बीन सो एनरिचिंग. इतना ज़्यादा व्हाट यू से हार्ट वार्मिंग. लाइक वीव बीन देयर फॉर ईच अदर इन एवरी मोमेंट. लाइक कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता था यार एक दूसरे को पता है, कुछ अच्छा हुआ एक दूसरे को पता है, कुछ भी हुआ, लाइक कुछ भी नॉनसेंस भी हुआ, वी लाइक पता है एक दूसरे को. इट्स लाइक वी बीन देयर विद ईच अदर थ्रू everything. Like from 2015 when actually we became friends, 7th C and 7B and the whole group. Like स्कूल में कुछ भी होता था, लाइक कुछ भी वी न्यू. एक दूसरे को तो बताना है ही मतलब है. एंड तू हमेशा थी लाइक कुछ भी होता था, कुछ भी लाइक कुछ भी सैड हो रहा है स्कूल में या कुछ भी हैप्पी हो रहा है, यू वर ऑलवेज देयर टू लिसन. कि हाँ भाई बता, तू बाद में अपन सबके साथ बात कर लेंगे, बट अभी तू बता क्या हो रहा है, लाइक तू बता मेरे को. इट इज़ लाइक it's so important to have such like friends like you. And I don't know if you know it, or even if you know it, I want to tell it to you again. You are an amazing best friend. Like even though तेको टॉपिक जम नहीं रहा है या तेको नहीं समझ रहा है, तेको you just can't agree with what I am saying or anyone is saying, you will just listen to it and you'll be there. So it's very I'm very thankful to have you in my life, bro. And apna deep like after 3 AM talks apna, it's just itna zyada informative and like apne ek to opinions alag hai, theek hai, but we just listen to each other and there's no judgment. There's absolute zero judgment. And trust me, like we both have told each other things which normally I don't think anyone knows. And you know, it's like a safe place, you know, we can share any and everything, and you, like, we both know no one is judging each other. So it just itna aisa, you know, a comfortable environment, that vibe is something I don't think I have with anyone else. So happy birthday once again, Bhanu, and wishing you all growth, happiness, and everything in this world. Yeah, love you.
Happy birthday, Palak. You know how much I love you, and I'm gonna hug you 17 times more than I usually do, whether you like it or not. And you know, you mean so much to me, and you'll always be my cotton candy.
Hi Palak, happy birthday. We love you and we're always here for you.
Hi Palak, happy birthday beta. We love you.
God bless.
Palak Didi, I hope you have a great day. Love you. Happy birthday Palak Didi, have a great day और अपने सारे presents enjoy करना और मुझे पार्टी चाहिए. I don't care लॉकडाउन या कोरोना वायरस है. I want a party. ठीक है. Anyways, have a great day. Enjoy. Love you.
Happy birthday, Palak.
Happy birthday, Palak beta.
Hi, Palak. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Palak.
हैप्पी बर्थडे पलक, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू, वी लव यू. खाने का फोटोज भेजती रहना, कल क्या खाने वाली है. एंड यस, एंजॉय योर डे. भले.
Hi Palak, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Have a great one. You will make the best of it somehow, I know. And I'm sorry I couldn't make it, but I love you so much. And yes.
Happy birthday, Palak. Hope you have an amazing day ahead. We all love you and hope you stay the same, the crazy, the dumb Palak that you are. And yeah, smart too, but yes. Hope you have an amazing day.